blessed. We are parked. Our boss is sleeping behind there, so I can't go out. But I order a wig from like online, and I'm going to try and wear this wig on my locks. Like they are legit, um, really have a lot of hair in there. So I have to mm, I have to retrieve them, but I don't know, either I'm lazy or I'm too cheap. I'm just tired. So I'm at the point where I have to try something else on my head. So I ordered this wig. As soon as I had it in my hand, I was just like, what the? It's so, to me, it's heavy, but I think it's light, right? So that's the wig. And I haven't had a wig on my head for at least 7 years. A black woman, at least 7 years. Okay, so finger crossed, I can still um wear a wig. Like I've seen this before, so yes, this is me, my first time putting on a wig in 7 years or even longer. I think it's even longer, right? So there are different types of hooks here, like, and there's a thin nets on there, right? So um there is a cap in there, like it came with a cap, not a black one, but it is a cap, and I have to kind of manage and put my hair in there. So what are you going to do? I think you see how ingrown my hair is. Like I really need a retwist. I haven't retwisted in almost a year. So I figured out I will kind of take one and come this way and take the other one, like they're beginning to be very long, something like this. So hold on, let me pack this. I was just thinking, babe left me in the car with it with a hairstyle, and he will come back with another one. Like we are doing some changes in the kitchen, and we need some. Oh, this is not bad. Like it's not that bad, isn't it? But I look like I look like an old auntie on the street. Like, oh, my memories. Like they will wear something like this and have a wrapper during Hamatan or dry season, as people call. So I have nothing to fix this week. I think it's already fixed. So yeah, it is fixed, isn't it? I'm a quick fix person. Like I'm that girl. Presse, presse. Okay, so as I said, there's 1 year, and there's nothing behind. I kind of have to hook hook this um somewhere here. Someone is snoring, I think, and that should be it. Let's try this, Dominique. Look, my head is too big. Can you wear locks? Yo, it's legit too big. Let me try. What? This is giving me Tina Turner vibes. I can't hook nothing anywhere. Like it's legit. You know when you wear three-quarter jeans, it's three-quarter wig. Where is that thing? Like Yeah, it is. Yeah, I just can't. Let me try. I don't want to be that black girl. This is going to be hot. It is already hot. Oh, oh, ah, nine, nine. Oh, it's painful. But is it giving? No. It look like a Juju Calabar. Okay. What is this? Like, I always criticize these funny things women wear. Baby scatter. Scatter the baby. Ah, maybe it's the camera. It's the way I feel it. It has something, right? Hold on, let me put earrings and a neck. So I'm kind of liking and hating it. Like, what do you think? Do we keep this or oh, there's a rainbow? Hold on. Oh, you can see the rainbow behind me. How does it look? It's soft though. Let me know what you think. I'm going to keep this and fighting pain when it comes back. Win is going to disgrace me. This win is going to disgrace me. Like, how is the color on me? Now I see that I really have to hook these things in there. But you recognize me? Do you still like me? Anyway. Hmm, when it's like this, I like it. Eh? Anyway, that was my 10 minutes relooking. Let me know what you think, what I should do. How do you even take care of a wig? I don't I don't know. I kind of like the color and I like a different look. I'll stay like this and wait for babe to frighten him. Like there was this wig in black, but I kind of like this color. I used to do my braids in this color always. So I want problem always. I don't like this. So let me know how what I should buy to keep this wig. The wind almost disgraced me. It's painful. Like I hooked it here and it's like dragging my face, doing a kind of lifting. It has something like there is something about it that I can. It really pardons my locks that are not really. I don't know if I should open the wig. Oh, mm, anyway. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if this is the worst week YouTuber you've ever seen, pardon me as I say this is my first time in at least 7 years, right? It feels awkward. Kind of feel like there is no symmetry, and I like symmetric things, but we have time to make friends. So thanks for watching. Bye. Stay curious and blessed. Bye.